finish this up.
He wants to help build a dashboard.
All right, here we go. Yeah, what's going on? Welcome back to Olive Royals. It's your boy Labasa, and we're back again with our next one. So as you can see, it's working now. Like, it's working now. So next task is gonna be going ahead and put the interior back together. So behind me is the interior from the parts car. I promise you, it's black, it's not blue, but it's rough. So I held a poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me on socials, you need to go ahead and add me. It's right here. It's also down in the description as well. You need to go ahead and finish this up. So for those of you that don't know, I actually used to work at Craft Nissan here in Tallahassee, and I left for, it's a long story. Anyway, I used to work at Craft Nissan. I'm still cool with the guys over there, so we're gonna roll this up and take this over there and pressure wash it so we could get it nice and clean. All right, so we're here at Nissan. I'm introducing the homie Matt. He's gonna be the homie that films the videos now. That's right, boy got a filmer. So go ahead and follow his Instagram, show him some love. He's part of the Road to Gang now, so we're gonna go ahead and get cracking.
Ignore not having the shirt. Just wait.
Yeah,
give it a couple seconds.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so I'm gonna throw the camera to him, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Moses! Alright, so for those of you guys that didn't know, you can actually re-dye your carpet. So since this is all nice and clean now, we're gonna let this ring out. I'll have Blake throw it in his truck before he comes home, and then throw it in the car. Huge shout out to these boys. You guys want to do a shout out? Any shout outs you want to tell anybody hi?
Yeah. Car wash, no?
Yeah. So welcome to Florida. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, so We'll start with this. Look at that. She got a carpet again. Damn, it's so nice to see a carpet in here. I gotta finish flattening it out, but it's cleaned up nice, ain't it? If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's right here. If you don't follow Matt, you should. It's right here. Keep up to all the shenanigans. Alright, so the carpet. Alright, go ahead for me. Oh. So the next step is the dashboard. I am so proud to have this dashboard. It's been sitting forever, but it is uncracked. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. You don't know. These are probably like $300 to $400 if I wanted one in good condition. So happy that the parts car had this one in good condition. Alright, so go ahead and jump in on that side. Alright, so I need most of it, like let it go out the door first. Yeah.
See how it's done. It's not too
Not
hard.
as bad as not as bad as it seems, right? That's when everything's already removed.
I don't even. How close do I have to get? I'm scared. Might just use my camera real quick. He's gonna jump on.
Like a thing. Damn, we got a lot of space now. Man, you showed them what the interior look like now already? Man. All right, I guess we'll throw this in next. We could start doing the armrest. And after this, we could put seats in. All right, so now that a Mike's Hard Lemonade in, you're not gonna stay. You're not gonna stay. Stay. All right, now that we Mike's Hard Lemonade in, what I want to do, this is the passenger seat. I don't know if it'll fit on the driver's side, but it has leather, and this one's a little bit more tore up than that seat. And I care more about my passengers, so I want to see if I could put this one on the driver's side. Not sure if it's gonna work, but we're about to find out. Huh? That one?
Yo, watch. It sucks being on my side.
Sound like it's in.
And done.
What do you know? It fits. Only problem is the seatbelt buckle's on the wrong side. Didn't think that far ahead. Oh, I hear my fingers screaming already. So we're having a bit of a problem. I don't know. Okay, well, I do know. This car was probably jacked up, like, right here in this area at one point. So the seat's not lining up. But we're gonna make something work. We got seats in the car, we got carpet, dashboard. Man. So now the next step is gonna be putting this center assembly section back on. Alright. We got an armrest. We can find bolts. So it's about that time in the video for me to show you guys the engine portion. So the other day in the first clip of the video, you'll see that we got it started, but Blake and Toby had to plug a bunch of random holes because there was like a lot of vacuum leaks. So I went ahead, I plugged all those up. I'm gonna go ahead and rewire my starter button, and we're gonna see if my little fix worked. Alright, so off camera I was actually messing with it and we blew a fuel line. This exploded on the car like maybe a couple days ago, last week sometime. So I went ahead and I replaced it already. Some nice fresh fuel lines. Plugged in the battery. The whole reason, I don't remember if I explained it already, but the reason why it was misfiring was because it was having some vacuum leaks. So I went ahead, I plugged those, routed everything where it needed to go, so we should be good. So twist your fingers. Or battery's not on properly.